So let's have a moment of silence before I get into this video. But for all those people that have those flakes like I do, this is 2 weeks post not washing my hair. Just to show you how it looks. Yeah, it looks bad, I know. Yeah, it's really bad. This is the before and this is the after. My treatment that I did in my hair. Stay tuned.
It's the comeback. But I never gonna love.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amber's Choice. Of course, I'm Amber. I am here showing you this video of how to get rid of all y'all dandruff in y'all hair for a long periodically time. If you didn't get that reference, too bad. I just look it up. Anyway, so this is my little concoction. I came up with. Everything will be in the description box below. I have it in 2 parts. I'm not going to put the measurements in because obviously I feel like I haven't critiqued my product yet, but I'll give y'all a little something to make y'all own concoction. Anyway, back to the video. So what I just basically did is sprayed my hair with water, and I'm detangling my hair with a Demon brush. I'm trying to make sure it's as wet, as damp as possible, because you don't want to put this product in your hair when it's dry. It's just gonna create a hot mess. Now what I'm doing is putting the oil that I made on my scalp, and then I'm putting it on the strands, and then I'm brushing it all the way down. Y'all seen that straightness at the end, y'all. We're gonna get to that in another video. That is ridiculous. Now what I'm doing is putting the clay on my scalp. I don't have to really focus the product too much on the back of my head because I don't have that much of a problem with dandruff in the back of my head. I mainly have it in the front, so I'm just gonna put a little amount of the clay stuff that I made in the back, and then I'm going to twist it with the 2-strand twist, of course, and I'm going to move to the next section. So just keep watching of how I'm doing it. I'm basically doing the same thing throughout the video, and I will be back with
Got a new password on your Snapchat. You a hoe, you a thot, you a freak. Got a different excuse every day of the week. It's cool, I'm not even messing with you. I gotta let you know, ain't no more love. Man, you still not picking up. It's cool cause I'm about to pull up. Blew up your messages, left 10 voicemails. And I don't know what it is, but I'm going through hell. But somehow your date is not gonna end well. When I find out who the hell is over there, so you see me calling, you always on your phone. So how come this time it's just a ringing dial tone? I got it, you must got a thought to bone. I got it, account must be bad tone. I done lost my temper in my damn tone. He probably with the buzz on who gets whacked on. It's never good when I am all alone. This hidden stage putting me in my zone. I'm finna see what the hell going on, cause I really fucking hate it when I let my mind roam. I know you see me calling your phone. True. Why you got me home all alone? True. You don't even pay me no attention. Got a new password on your Snapchat. You a hoe, you a thot, you a freak. Got a different excuse every day of the week.
Hey, I'm back. Yay. Okay, I'm basically done with the back of my head. So now what I'm about to do is do the same thing to the front, but this time I'm going more in how can I say this? I'm going in more oomph, if that's a such thing. Like what I mean is basically I'm putting it on my scalp, on my hair strands like I was doing in the back, but also making sure that when I put the clay in, I'm actually putting it on my scalp also, like literally on my scalp, because this is where mainly I have my problems with dandruff in. So the little flaky flakes. So I'm going to make sure I put it all over my scalp part it in different sections, in different angles to make sure I get every piece of oil that I possibly can get on my scalp, along with the clay, that the two-part clay that I have also. So yeah, and then also make sure you massage this in throughout your head too. I forgot to mention that also. Make sure you massage this throughout your head, and just make sure you put it on the most problems that you guys have on dandruff. Mine's is in the front. Some people's is all over. It just all depends. So I'm just really focusing on putting it on my scalp in the front, and I think that's about it for right now. I'll be back if I need to come back.
Tell me you was getting tired. I could've put some application out and got somebody else hired. You simply got me fucked up cause I ain't the one. I graduated high school, so you know I
You guys, this is also a disclosure. Whenever you're doing this mask, just to let you know that this is going to be time consuming. It's going to be messy. So put your paper on the floor, because believe it or not, I have paper on the floor, um, newspaper to be exact, because I don't want it to mess up my floor. And then also put a t-shirt that you do not want or need to be nice on, because as you can see, my shirt is starting to mess up, starting to have some of the product on there. Um, to name some of the stuff I have in there, it's like I have activated charcoals in there. I have bentonite clay in there. As you can see, it's dripping down my face. It's gonna be a hot mess, y'all. So just be in mind when y'all wash it too. Make sure you wash it out thoroughly. Do not use any metal with this product, because there's activated charcoal in there, so you don't want it to mess up your hair either. So just make sure you use everything wooden or plastic. Do not use anything with wood in it, metal in it. um yeah, I think that's it. um yeah.
I know you see me calling your phone. Why you got me home all alone? You don't even pay me no attention. Got a new password on your Snapchat. You a hoe, you a thot, you a freak. Got a different excuse every day of the week. It's cool, I'm not even messing with you. I gotta let you know, ain't no more love. Man, you still not picking up. It's cool cause I'm about to pull up. Blew up your messages, left 10 voicemails. And I don't know what it is, but I'm going through hell. But somehow your date is not gonna end well. When I find out who the hell is over there, I know you see me calling, you always on your phone. So how come this time it's just a ringing dial tone? I got it, you must got a thought to bone. I got it, account must be bad tone. I done lost my temper and my damn tone. He probably with the buzz on who gets whacked on. It's never good when I am all alone. This can stay putting me in my zone. I'm finna see what the hell going on, cause I really fucking hate it when I let my mind roam. I know you see me calling your phone. Why you got me home all alone? You don't even pay me no attention. Got a new password on your Snapchat. You a hoe, you a thot, you a freak. Got a different excuse every day of the week. It's cool, I'm not even messing with you.
So also, you guys, I know I did a lint check, but I'm about to chop all that off in the next video. Also, you guys, I'm sorry if I keep coming in and out. I just keep remembering stuff to say. But anyway, so make sure you comb the ends too. Whenever you put the product in, when you twist it and all that good stuff, make sure you comb it through with a rectail comb or your diamond brush like I'm doing. Make sure you keep wetting it throughout your hair, wetting your hair throughout the process, because like I say, you do not want to do this when your hair is dry. um, and yeah, and just make sure you keep putting the product in. I had 2 containers, so I had enough for my hair. um, yeah, everything is going to be worth it. Like, you're going to wind up not having to um, focus on your scalp too much with your dandruff like you usually do, because of the simple fact that it has so many benefits in this clay that I made. It's like anti-itch, anti-dandruff. It is moisturizing to your hair strands and to your scalp. Like I said, I'm gonna be perfecting my actual product so I can start selling it. Um, so yeah.
Why you ain't tell me you was getting tired? I could've put some application out and got somebody else hired. You simply got me fucked up cause I ain't the one. I graduated high school so you know I ain't dumb. Why need a whole loaf for some dusty ass crumbs? Why leave a fucking king for a dusty ass bum? Guess the thing is you couldn't handle a one half of the damn time. I ain't even come. It's cool.
So I'm back. I am going to have my hair wrapped in one of these little shower caps, and I went to go run errands, and yeah, it took me 2 hours. So you don't have to leave it on for that long, but I did because I was running errands. I used Suave Shampoo Professionals. I didn't use the conditioner. I didn't have to use the conditioner, but I did use the Trader Joe's shampoo and the conditioner too. The reason why I use that, I feel like, is a great combination. It's going to have your hair tingly. Just bear in mind that this process is going to be long, washing it out depending on how long your hair is, and this is the finished product. If you guys would like for me to do a video of how I made it, made the concoction, just let me know. It came out good. And the next video, will be cutting my hair, so y'all stay tuned for that, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.
See me calling your phone. Why you got me home all alone? You don't even pay me no attention. Got a new password on your Snapchat. You a hoe, you a thot, you a freak. Got a different excuse every day of the week. It's cool, I'm not even messing with you. I gotta let you know.